Hello everyone, welcome to Data Science Community. In today's video we are going to discuss what is order by in SQL. Okay, so basically the order by is a keyword which is used to sort the result set in a ascending or descending order. Okay, so basically we use order by for ordering our table. Okay, on the basis of for example, if you have the student table, then you need to find the ranks. Okay, so you can sort the table on the basis of the ranks. So for that you need to write order by ranks. Okay, so for these kind of problem statements we can use order by. Okay, your workbench and see how we can implement it and practically understand it. Okay, so this is our SQL workbench. Okay, here I'm using the same database which we use in our last videos. Okay, which is testdb semicolon control enter, and here I'm using the table which is employee. Okay, if you do not know what all tables represent in your database, then you can write show tables to check how many tables represent in your database, and name of your table is returned here. Okay, in this output window, basically output actions were returned here. Okay, and output of your queries were displayed here. Okay, now okay, so here I'm using the employee table. Okay, so first let's see what all columns are present in my table. Okay, select star from table name which is employee, control enter. So these were the column names which is present. Okay, these were the column names. So let's just order by our data on the basis of age. Okay, remove this and just write a query for order by. Okay, so I want my table to sort it on the basis of ages of the employees. Okay, so just write select star from employee table and order by. It will give you auto suggestions. Okay, so you can also use that. Order by age semicolon control enter, and here you can see that our table is now sorted on the basis of ages. Okay, it will sort it in a increasing order by default. If you want to sort it on decreasing order, then you need to do one thing, which is you need to write here disk. Okay, and we run this query, and you can see in this age column, you can see your data is now sorted on the decreasing order. Okay, so that's how you can use order by, and you can also use order by for alphabets. Okay, order by is also work for alphabets too. Let's sort our table on the basis of names. Okay, and you can see here it will sort it on the basis of names A, C, D, E, B, or if we do not apply this, our output is this. Actually the output is same because it is already sorted. So let's just check for decreasing. It may be changed. Yeah, you can see here it will change its order from increasing to decreasing. Okay, it is already present in a decreasing order, so I sorted it on the basis of increasing order. Okay, so this is our initial table, and after applying order by, this is our table after applying order by. Okay, so that's how you can apply order by in your table. Okay, so if I provide you one condition, okay, if we have similar names, okay, then on what basis you can sort it? Okay, so in that case you can also provide one more column name if you want. Okay, but in our case there is different names of employee, there is no similar name. Okay, so we do not need that, but if you want, you can also use one more column name. Okay, for example I can use 3. Okay, so it will now sort it on the basis of 3's name and Okay, so it will give the same output because there is no repetition is present. So this condition is not applicable, because when it will found the two names having the same names, after that it will check for countries. Okay, because our data do not have duplicate values, so it will not work. Okay, so that's how you can use order by in SQL. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos.